prices closed out at the end of 2023 10.2% higher than at the end of 2022. It's Friday, January 12th, 2024. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Annapolis home prices at the end of 2023 closed out at a median $589,990. At the end of the year, zip code 21401 prices were up 9.1% to $600,000. 21403 went up 21.1% to $611,500. 21409 rose only 0.2% to $531,500. This past week, only 115 properties are listed for sale. 18 homes are coming soon to the market. 17 homes hit the market over the past week. 11 went under contract. 10 moved to pending. 19 homes sold at 96.1% list to sold ratio and selling in 33 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Arundel on the Bay for $7,400,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose to 44 at $2,988 per month. And looks like that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.